Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable Safe Search on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching it. So, friends, let's get started. And I'm going to show you from the very beginning how to do it. So, first of all, you're going to need to open up the settings on your iPhone. And then scroll down a little bit and go to Screen Time. And then scroll down a little bit further here, and you'll go to this option here. Then select here Web, Siri, and Control Center. Then when you get to this page, you'll need to adjust two options here. And the first one is Web Content, so go to that. And let's say if you don't have it turned off like I do, and let's say you have one of the next two, let's say Options selected. So if you have that restriction, then you just have to switch to the very first option in Web Content. Next, friends, go back to the page and then select Web Search Content. And here, if you don't always have it, then switch to the very first line as well, like I have it now in the video. But friends, you may still have Safe Search enabled not only on your iPhone in the settings, but also in your web browser. So in order to disable it there, you'll need to exit Settings and go to your web browser. In my case, it's Safari. Next, friends. When you go to Safari, let's say, you'll need to switch to Google, open it up. Then on the top right, click your image. And now scroll down a little bit and select Saved Search here. And here you'll just need to switch over here in order to disable Safe Search. And then it will be turned off. This is the way you will be able to disable Safe Search on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please write your comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.